Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, I am Hamza Rehman, an English instructor for level 3 from the Vision School Mirpukhas. I hope you guys have been doing well at your home. As you know that just because of this pandemic we are going to have our online classes and the video lecture. So in today's video lecture we are going to discuss about future tense. The topic is what is future tense, guys? As we have discussed many times in our class of language class, there are three tenses. Present, past, and future. There are three tenses in our life: present, past, and future. Present means what we are doing right now, past what we did last time, and future what we will do in future time. So there are three tenses in our life and in English grammar, but we are going to talk about future tense. What is future tense, guys? Let me give you an example. Like I say that I play cricket. I play cricket. Now this sentence belongs to present time. But if I say that I played cricket, it means that it sentence belongs to past time. Like I play cricket, I'm talking about the present time. But if I say that I played cricket, it means I'm talking about past time, that I played cricket. But if I have to make a future sentence, and if I have to talk about future time, so how I will make the sentence? So I'll use I shall play cricket. I shall play cricket. How I have made the sentence? By using shall in the sentence. Now its sentence is giving sense of future time. Got it, guys? This is the short overview of future tense. Now let's talk about the definition of future tense. So here is the definition of future tense. Like it shows or it denotes an action which subject will do in future time. How subject will do in future time? Like I have given you the example that I shall play cricket. So I shall, what does it mean by shall? So here we use helping verb in future tense. What are the helping verbs of future tense? Will and shall. Now there is a confusion that where we have to use will and where we have to use shall. So let me clear one thing, that with I and we, you guys will use shall, and with other subjects you will use will. Okay, guys? So let's have another example of will. Let's make some sentences like I say that she cooks biryani. She cooks biryani. Now if I have to see that, if I have to say in future time, so how I will make the sentence? So I will use she will cook biryani. It means that she have not cooked the biryani. She will cook the biryani in future time. Okay, guys? I'm using cell phone. What I'm saying? I'm using phone. So in future time, what I will do? I will be using phone. Clear? It means that we will be using will or shall as helping verb in future tense by using will and shall we can make our sentences of future tense. As we have discussed that there are three tenses: present, past, future. In present we talk about what we are doing right now. In past what we did last time. In future what we will do. Means the definition is saying that it denotes an action which subject will do in future time. Means such actions which we will do in future time. Like you guys say, we will come to the school. Right now you are not in the school. You will come to the school. It means you are talking about future tense. So this is our future tense, guys, and it is enough for today's class. We will discuss more detail about future tense in our next class. Till that, if you are having any questions, so please let me know. Then inshallah we'll meet in the next video lecture. Till next video class. Allah Hafiz.